Welcome. I invite you to settle yourself into a comfortable and upright seated position in a place where it's quiet and peaceful. And just take your time to find a place of comfort for your body today. And once you have settled in, gently close your eyes. Now, let's begin by taking a few deep, relaxing breaths. So take a long, deep breath in through the nose. Hold the breath for a moment. And then release the breath out slowly and gently. When you inhale, make sure to fill your lungs fully, noticing your belly filled with air, expanding gently. And when you exhale, release all the air from your lungs, noticing your belly contracting. So inhale, rise, expand, and exhale, release, and contract. One more time. Inhale, rise, expand. Exhale, release, and contract. Focus on this deep breathing pattern for a few moments. And while you do, I want you to set your intention for this meditation. So make a clear intention of focusing on yourself and cultivating a sense of abundance. Continue to breathe deeply, inhaling, rising, and expanding, and exhaling, releasing, and contracting. And now, allow your breath to become natural and soft. And as you let go of the control of your breath, make a conscious decision to also let go of anything that is not in alignment with who you are. Allow anything that is not serving you to fall away. Any feelings or emotions that have been weighing you down. Any self-limiting beliefs are silenced. Your body is feeling lighter and lighter now. You are inviting new feelings of confidence and your trust within yourself. You are beginning to feel joy as your heart opens to receive abundance. Visualize yourself in an open prairie. There is a sun shining, illuminating every blade of grass. The sun feels warm and comforting on your skin. And as you look around, you see birds flying in the sky, chirping the most beautiful melodies. You smell fragrant flowers sprinkled all around you. You feel the gentle breeze brush along your skin, and you feel so at peace. You stop and pause, allowing yourself to take in this beauty. You appreciate this nature that is filled with abundance. The countless leaves on trees overflowing with wildlife, and an endless light that renews life. The magnificent scene before you welcomes you to walk the path towards receiving your greatest desires. This is your time to create your vision of abundance. For the next few moments now, as you relax here peacefully, acknowledge all the good that you already have in your life. This is the foundation for all abundance. So notice the goodness in your life. Notice the goodness in your relationships. Notice the goodness in your health, in your career. What can you appreciate about your work? When you reflect on the goodness of your life, notice what comes to mind first. Maybe it's certain people. Maybe it's material abundance. Maybe it's a sense of community and a sense of safety. Reflect on your accomplishments in your work, your family, and your personal growth. And notice what goodness do you sometimes forget or take for granted. There are blessings all around us, so just take a moment to acknowledge the good that you already have in your life. This is the foundation of all abundance. Now, bring to mind your life exactly as you would like it to be, as if it was filled with abundance. In this place of unlimited energy, imagine your best life. There is nothing too large for you to create, and there is nothing too grand for you to receive. So take a moment now to think about the life that you desire without any limitations, without having any doubts, and without having any obstacles get in the way of you achieving your success. Think about the words prosperity and abundance. Think about what those words means to you, and see any images that arise when you think about these words. Perhaps you see yourself in a beautiful, spacious home. Maybe you see yourself achieving success in your career. Maybe you see yourself traveling the world. Or maybe you see yourself easily and happily paying your bills. Whatever images or thoughts that arise for you, simply recognize them and allow them to paint your picture of your abundance. What does it look like for you to be prosperous? Notice what it feels like. Allow your imagination to paint your picture of abundance. See yourself living inside this vision. Notice if there are any disempowering thoughts or beliefs that come up. Maybe a hesitation to imagine what is you really want. Whatever doubts or worries persist, simply identify them. And on each exhale, imagine yourself releasing them with the breath. Exhale and release. And as you rest in this beautiful prairie, step onto the path before you. The ground is soft and inviting. And with each step, the energy of life and abundance begins to flow to you as if you were a magnet. With every step you take, the energy of abundance draws towards you freely and effortlessly. Allow your mind to focus on your desires and all the opportunities that are waiting for you. Feel your heart begin to fill with gratitude. And take a moment to appreciate the riches of your mind. You feel carefree, generous, stable, safe, creative, and joyful. As you continue to walk forward, you notice a door. You are drawn to this door, for it is illuminated. As you gently pull down the handle of the door, you step into a life that you have just envisioned. See yourself celebrating your success. See yourself having achieved all your goals. Accept your abundance and allow it to come to you now. As you maintain these beautiful emotions in your body and this lovely vision in your mind, allow yourself to take in the following words. I am worthy of abundance. I am worthy of prosperity. I am open to limitless possibilities. I am my best source of motivation. I am capable of achieving greatness. Now, bring your attention back to your breath. Take a long, deep breath in. Inhale the fresh air. And release the breath out slowly. Allow the natural rhythm of your breathing to bring you back into the present moment. And just notice how good you feel, how light, how joyful, and how free. Begin to move your body gently. Wiggle your toes and your fingers. Move your head from side to side. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes